southern tip of Africa, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean converge, creating one of the most biologically diverse marine ecosystems on the planet. Like the Serengeti of the sea, a bewildering multitude of creatures thrive and flourish in these nutrient-rich waters. As if in response to this miraculous diversity, the Cape Floral Kingdom, although the smallest of the world's 6 kingdoms, boasts more than 3 times the floral diversity of its area than the Amazon jungle. This prolific flora covers the mountainous landscape in radiant hues and buzzes with microscopic wonder. Positioned deep within this ecozone of unique biodiversity is the Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, a 5-star luxury lodge dedicated to sustaining the natural heritage of the area, while cultivating social transformation in surrounding communities, ultimately inspiring a new way of living in harmony with nature and a more progressive approach to tourism worldwide. Take a step towards the wonders of nature, towards new landscapes and new experiences. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, living the future.